Hey, so if your files are not uploading on WeTransfer, yeah, that can be really frustrating, especially when you need to send something quickly. Maybe the upload gets stuck, fails, or never starts. In this guide, I'll walk you through step-by-step fixes to solve this problem. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Uploading large files needs a strong connection. WeTransfer has file size limits. Yeah, so make sure your file isn't too large for your plan. Refresh the page and try uploading again. Uh, Sometimes it's just a temporary glitch. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Stored data, yeah, can cause upload issues. Disable browser extensions, uh, especially ad blockers. They can interfere with uploads. Switch to another browser to check if the issue is browser specific. If your file has special characters or is too large, yeah, try renaming or compressing it. In some cases, WeTransfer servers might be down. Wait a bit and try again later. So yeah, that's how to fix WeTransfer not uploading files. One of these steps should get your upload working again quickly. If this helped, subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Hey,